Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys, I hope this doesn't mess up anything, so my garden. So I do have some tomatoes that are starting to ripe up, so I am here to remove those before the birds have a feast on my tomatoes, because I have a lot. My mint started to grow. Here's more tomatoes that are starting to turn. So far, so good. So check it out. These can probably stay a little bit longer. I do have peppers that started to grow. Check it out. And I have beans everywhere. And I still only have 2 cucumbers. So that's depressing. Ooh, I see bumblebees. So I'm gonna grab these tomatoes and the ones on the other side and call it a day. But that's the update, and that's all I got for you. Seems like just the tomatoes are the only ones that are doing good. The corn is growing, but not sure how good it's gonna do in this container. It rained yesterday a lot. Here's my pumpkin. So I'm hoping that I'm not gonna water them today. So let me grab these tomatoes and I'll keep you guys posted. Check out all those tomatoes. Alright. Thank you for watching. God bless.